Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and welcome back to this next video. And this is the first video in the course, which is General Genetics. So, General Genetics, that would be the title of this particular course. This particular course is for the undergraduate students. And in this particular series of videos, I'll be talking about the introduction and history of genetics, about the application of genetics, thereby making a background why you should study about the genetics. Then we'll be focusing on the classical experiments which was carried on in the field of genetics, like the experiment of the Thomas Hunt Morgan of 1910, which was very fruitful in this chromosomal theory of inheritance. We'll be talking about the Griffith experiment, in which he discovered the transforming principle in 1928 in the pneumococcus bacteria. Then I'll be focusing on the Avery McLeod McCarthy experiment of 1944, which actually proved the transforming principle to be the DNA. Then we'll be focusing on the Hershey and Chase experiment of 1952. After that, we'll be focusing on the Mendel laws, like the Mendel law of segregation and the law of independent assortment, which were discovered in 1800s, like 1860, 1870. Why I am discussing the Mendel laws after the experiments of the Griffith, Avery McLeod, or the Hershey, just to give you the importance of the work that Mendel performed, and that is why he is called as the father of genetics. So we'll be discussing this after the experiments of the Griffith, the Avery McLeod, and the Hershey Chase experiments. We'll be focusing on the structure of DNA and the RNA. What are the differences between the DNA and the RNA? The concepts of the dominance, the codominance, the incomplete dominance, and the concept of the recessive. I'll be having a detailed discussion on the Punnett squares and the fork-line method, and the multiple alleles and the ABO blood types, the sex-linked inheritance. And at the end of the course, we'll be talking about the mutation and in types, and I will slightly touch on the population genetics. So if you like this course, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.